Hello, I'm Dr. Brian Petrie at the Neck and Back Pain Relief Center located here in Rainham, Mass. And I'm walking in here on a session with licensed massage therapist
Take a nice deep breath.
Lisa Evans, who was
Allow
working on one of our
yourself to
clients who
release
was
the
involved in a
tension
motor
and
vehicle
allow
accident,
contract
sustained a
release.
cervical sprain strain injury.
Allow the
So-
tension to relax from the inside out.
Lisa, can you tell us what you are doing here and the procedure?
This customer has some trigger points in her upper trapezius, and I'm having her take a couple of nice deep breaths, inhale and exhale. Great. I'm having her breathe into some of the trigger point areas that she has so that she can focus in on relaxing from the inside out. Generally that helps the clients relax on the table and helps the body diminish the trigger point areas. So I'm doing some trigger point therapy. I sat it off with some myofascial release, and I'll be turning her over and doing some neuromuscular techniques around her cervical strained area.
Okay, great.
My name's Lisa Evans, and I'm a board certified massage therapist here at Dr. Petrie's office. I'm also a hypnotist, and when people come in for different injuries, we work on some motor vehicle accident type of patients, but also people come in for generalized massage from different surgeries or just relaxation themselves. But when they're coming in for pain management, I blend in the hypnotic technique so that I'm taking the focus of their pain off their body mentally, because the massage, the touch, is helping them, is helping diminish the pain physically, but mentally they're so frustrated when they come in with their pain that's all they think about. But I'm helping them with a technique to change that inside their mindset, basically. You do not have to be a customer or patient of the chiropractic facility to come in and have my services or any of the other services that are here in the office. I've been doing this since 1999. I'm a board certified massage therapist and a hypnotist. And my telephone number is 781-963-2901. I have two websites, thebodymaintenanceplace.com and lisaevanshypnotist.com. Enjoy the day.
That's awesome. Thank you, Lisa.
You're welcome.